guys, how are you? It's been a while. I didn't see you, I didn't talk to you. Anyway, I collected some haul here. Too many pieces, but it's not big pieces, it's small, from Hermès. I opened 2 or 3 to check everything is okay. I wear my new hat from Prada because I'm doing my hair next Thursday. Today is Tuesday? No, today is Wednesday. I'm doing it Friday. That's why you see me with the hat and my hair. Anyway, so let's get started. I'm so excited. This is the box. I put everything in here. I was into orange colors for the last few months. Okay, let's open it. I love the box too. Cute. Okay, and I bought it from Hermès online. Can you see? I love it. For some, and here the other side. It's gorgeous. This is the first one. I like it so much. And then second one, la la la. I love them both. They are totally different. Okay, this is the second one. It's more lighter, and here the famous horse. Yeah, and the other side is, see, they are totally different. Now this one, I bought it for too many purposes. Okay. I love the cute pouches here. Open it. Ta-la-la-la. Can you see that? Can you focus? And it's in here. It's orangey. Can you see that? Yeah. I bought it because you know me, I love to wear scarf, and actually I bought it as well to wear it as a ring. So beautiful. It's a little bit big, but I want it in purpose for this finger. See, it's beautiful too. It's white. And let me show you the other one. I have this one too. I bought it from Middle East. I love it. It's the horse. Yeah, it's beautiful too, but it is a scarf ring. But my sales associate in Hermès in Dubai, she told me it's called ring. You can wear it as a ring. I thought, why not? Actually, it's so pretty too as a ring. Yeah, I have both now. Yeah, but this is more gold, of course, and red. And this one is silver and orange. I found this online and I couldn't resist it. I don't know, I think it's new. I don't know if it was before or no, but I found it and thought, I know. You know what? Because I have my Apple Watch and I have the 3 strap. I have the red rouge edge, and I have orange, and I have the gold, the 3 strap colors. So I thought that it will be nice to wear. I didn't open this one at all. With them, it will be very cute. The pouch is so adorable. See the pouch? Cute. Yes, and wow, they put it in here. I love that. Can you see that? I love it. Look at that, it's so cute. Yeah, I bought the medium. It's so adorable. It's beautiful. See the back of it? Here you are. Let me remove my anti-dangling. You see it like that. Can you see that? I love it. I love it. And this is medium size. Is to take it with you in trip, to put it here with all your rings. And then I couldn't resist. This is my first nail polish from Hermès. Of course, you know. Let me turn off my handy dandy. Make noise, I know. First of all, I love green. I love them on my nails. Second, it's called Vert Égyptien, which you know, all of you now that I'm Egyptian, so anything related to Egypt, I have to have it. It's beautiful. It's only in their website. I didn't see it in any other place. Un jardin à citer. 2 samples. I will try them. Another box was in some. If you are interested, here's the barcode too. Big samples. Smell good. My video for today. I hope that you enjoyed my quick video unboxing, and I hope you already subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. Please do, and give me a big thumb up that you like it, and let me know. I didn't forget the request that I get, but I was busy the last few weeks, but I am ready to do all the requests that you like and you want from me. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you.